do if your entire server was flooded? Massive civilizations completely encased underwater. Well, that's the exact situation. I found myself hundreds of blocks high in the air.
But yo, what the hell? Where am I? Bro, what's up?
What happened to the mystery man, bro?
So basically, all my armor is at
Due to constant fighting, my armor's actually fried.
trenches Dura.
I know. Why is there a huge gap?
That's a good question, man.
Let me see. Let me check this out. Oh, I see why there's a huge gap. I now see why there's a huge gap.
Okay.
Do you know how the server flooded?
No.
Good.
You saw me, bro. I got TP'd over there, bro.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh wait. Oh wait. No. Wait. It was supposed to happen. I think. Oh no. Okay.
Wait, you didn't fall?
Oh, I just got TP'd.
That's weird. So,
Let's explore this, huh?
I have a diamond set in my ender chest. It's just not enchanted.
Oh yeah. There. What?
You have like.
Where did all my netherite go?
You had netherite to notice that's gone?
All my netherite armor is gone!
I still got my netherite tools, but that's
Also,
it.
what's so glitched about this that I can't, like... Things aren't dropping.
Oh,
what?
yeah. Just they just aren't dropping. Okay.
It's just a glitch? I don't really care.
I guess we can't get wood, bro.
Well, I kind of have, like, an idea. Kind of want to make an empire.
Oh, shoot.
And I think you're, like, the perfect person to help me out with that.
Yeah, I guess.
We could get you here along the way. My goal is just to, like, completely get on another on the server.
It's like, whoa, wait, what's this, bro? It's a
wait,
yo,
wait. Swamp? Whoa. Wait,
this is actually tough. Wait.
This looks so cool. What?
Wait,
I don't think
blocks actually drop. Blocks drop.
Wait, blocks drop? Wait. They do. Better. Okay, let's go.
Oh, bro, what you been
I saw,
up to,
like,
bro?
if there's, you know, the strongest got revealed. And now I'm trying to take control over the server.
Oh. But, like, I guess I'll help
Yes, you know.
because
I need my revenge.
I got absolutely
Whoa, what
countless
is-
mystery, man. Can't do nothing
Wait,
about
let me
that.
see. Yeah, lock in.
Yeah, bro, I'm locked. Wait, this place is crazy.
Eh? Was this like an abandoned civilization that was just never touched ever again?
Wow.
Wait, let me explore the inside. Oh, we got shulkers that have nothing inside. Okay.
I mean, you've been in the banishment, so you haven't seen like the server really grow. Wait, hold on. This banner? I'm gonna take the.
Oh, that looks pretty cool, but I don't really need a banner. I got my own banner, I guess. I think it's time I start worrying.
If you can get like an enchanting table, I could probably get my diamond set up, so I don't have to wear this iron.
Oh, I haven't worn guild in a bit.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Holy please.
Oh, it has nothing inside though. No, you just leave it here, bro. You don't really know. You're that poor.
You're not?
You know?
Yeah.
I could probably upgrade your set to netherite.
I'm good, man. Oh, free shelter. We take it, I guess.
Okay. I guess this place is cool.
Beautiful, I guess.
I mean, like anything above. Alright.
This place is just crazy in general.
I mean, yeah, so there are things up here.
Something here.
Why is everything is empty?
I mean, this place is kind of abandoned, I guess.
I mean, I'll take this. Not. At least I don't have to skip the building process.
There's a beacon over there. Oh.
Where's the? Oh, yeah. We don't really need people right now.
I mean, yeah.
I think our goal could be like, you know,
Let's
like
get power and stuff. You know, rich.
yeah, rich. This cool dock area.
Why are all these? They ever thought to just like take the shoulders too?
Yeah, like what's the point of just not taking the short? Yeah.
Nothing is cooking. Okay. These are crazy. What are these banners supposed to mean? To breathe. Latest.
This place is cool, man. Return some. Let's get started with the actual thing. You got obsidian.
No. But if you're not obsidian.
Jump.
Oh. Hi, bro.
I don't really want there to be a random nether. What is wrong with this spell? I don't want there to be. I don't want there to be a random nether portal chilling, so come with me if you want. I'm gonna travel the nether. Oh. Okay, well, follow me. Oh, and game and spectator. Crazy.
This is what the heck is this? Look at it.
Oh, what were these people doing?
Oh, I don't think they were abandoned, bro. I think they just got slime. Wait, hold on. When you said something about what's it called? Apparent. I think everyone got TP'd now.
Possibly.
So like, what other people here like were probably preparing to leave, but then they got TP'd?
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, well, come over here. This is a cool mount.
Okay, nothing is smelting even though it's on. Okay, I'll probably just go explore for people and you can like go to the nether. Just message me if like you need me.
Yeah, gotcha.
And vice versa. Alright, man. Alright, man. Yeah, I should probably actually just save down the coordinates at least first. Axel's getting pressed.
No, and even if I did, I wouldn't tell you.
Oh, see guys, so like I revealed his identity like a little bit ago. Now he's mad at me, as you can see.
Oh, dang.
Oh, it's the
Recommend you to
missing man.
run.
Okay, so guys, I think we low-key go.
Yo,
What I
still
thought.
it out.
Maybe. Yeah, no, it's good, Austin, bro. You're working for me now. I'll pay you. Come on, bro. You're gonna. Oh, here. Okay, wait. Go over here. There. Such nuisances, bro. Always on me. Probably like down somewhere. No, he was gonna go free. Goes down there again. I see you, dog. It's okay though. I'll let you live for now. Not butterfly. stay the same. Give me the whole back, bro. In here is everything else over here is also LE.
Right, bro.
You had an electro?
Nah, brother. Remember that guy that you killed had one?
The armor looks very similar. Like someone else I know.
Yeah, my cousin decided to give me this. Like, I showed my cousins my e-chest and they're like, yo, you're dirt poor. And then, like, they gave me, like a shelters of these, bro.
Oh yeah, there's a prison here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. That Skittleson guy spawned in there. And it seems like he was a prisoner before, like he got TP'd. I don't know why this left guy just decides to be it.
Yo, you're like,
Awesome.
yeah.
I have XP, dog. I can like menu a bit.
Are you winning my turn?
So he's still no stack up. Oh. Dog. I know you're not gonna just help me because you're my friend. What do you want?
Honestly, I'm kind of tired of being slandered and stuff. And like, bro, the only real like reason why people fear Mystery Man is because they don't know who he is. Let's be honest. I just want to get trained, bro.
Okay. Dog. Okay.
I just want to get trained, bro. Because like, I actually want to be kind of respected.
Trained now.
Yeah, bro. Will you train me?
I guess I'll train you, bro.
Hey.